our DIY skin care video series. In this episode, we'll explore the top natural oils for achieving radiant skin. First up, we have argan oil. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, making it perfect for moisturizing and nourishing your skin. Next, we have jojoba oil. Its similarity to our skin's natural oils allows for easy absorption, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Now let's talk about rosehip oil. It's packed with vitamins and fatty acids, helping to reduce signs of aging and improve skin tone. Moving on to coconut oil. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight acne and keep your skin clear and blemish-free. Don't forget about almond oil. It's gentle and soothing, making it ideal for sensitive skin and reducing inflammation. Last but not least, we have grapeseed oil. Its lightweight texture makes it great for all skin types, providing hydration without clogging pores. With these natural oils, you can achieve radiant and healthy skin right at home. Try incorporating these natural oils into your skincare routine and see the amazing results for yourself.